Save a list of objects in Django. I am using Django 1.5 and I am trying to do something like this. But lists don't have a save method, so is there some built-in functionality to do something similar? I found this answer on so question about batch save objects in Django. Is it still true with Django 1.5? Is there no way to avoid the save call on each object of the list? Here is my actual view code. My solution for now.
When you do formset.save, it hits database as many times as number of forms in the form set. So, its n hits if the number of element in the form set is n. So, you can have commit equals false on the form set which will not hit the DB at all. Then you can update the objects and call save on each object. So, your database calls remain n times. Not sure if you can do this entire operation in one call to DB.
You can use update method on a query set. Also see this question and answer, Django, form that updates X amount of models.
Also have look at this link. Very straightforward, easy to use approach. From the blog. Becomes
I frågan 2 more. Please consider subscribing.